Hey, freaky friends. Well, I found something. They're not quite fossilized yet, but they still are alive. So that's a good thing. I hear some bird chirping, so it's probably mummies, so I'm not going to touch them. But up on the bank here, it's kind of freaky cool. There's two freaky little birdies. Check this out. See, it's all about the scenery, not always the people on the tubes. Sometimes it's the freaky critters on the side of the bank. Look at this. If you noticed, the top bird kind of looks like me. Don't worry, freaky friends. I won't lick them. I don't want to give them poor guys a little heart attack. They're pretty cute. Oh, he just pooped. Uh-oh. No, he's in the water. Okay, he's coming. I'll leave him be. He'll get to the water here. I'll watch him. Make sure I don't have to jump in. Come on, buddy. Get in. Get in. Okay, he's going to be all right. Watch this. He's still in the water. I'll leave him there. Okay, and the other guys, I'll have to keep an eye out. I'll grab my pole and I'll work down. Rock on, freaky friends.